the second part of lesson, heat. In this, we discuss about conduction, convection, and radiation. There are different forms of heat transfer, which is three: conduction, convection, and radiation. These are the three forms of heat transfer by which heat transfers. There are different methods of heat transfer which we discuss in brief. Conduction, the transfer of heat through a solid medium. Convection, the transfer of heat by the movement of heated liquid or gases. Radiation, the transfer of heat by electromagnetic wave without an intervening medium. Means in this there is no medium is required. In a flashover, re-radiated heat increases room temperature, causing contents to reach ignition temperature quicker. So there are the examples you can see. On the one side there is a candy, on the other side there is a finger, and between that is the iron object. So heat transfer through conduction. Second is kettle, third is the radiation. This is showing in the diagram also how heat is transferring. The molecules are rising above when we are giving the heat from the bottom. It start rising above. Similarly, you can see that how it happens. It happens because the heat is reached to that pan by the radiation. Energy that is radiated or transmitted in the form of rays or waves or particles. You can see that handle, the color of handle is red hot. Why? Because the heat transfers, the transfer of heat or electric current from one substance to another by direct contact, because this handle is in the contact of the pan. Similarly, you can see that the molecules are rising up. It is showing by the arrows. It is by the convection. In this, the transfer of heat through a fluid, liquid or gas caused by molecular motion. So in this diagram, there are different forms of heat transfers is shown to you. So next on, we move on the another diagram. So here it is shown by the help of the rays, that you can see radiation. Similarly, you can see convection. Here in the kettle, you can see red rays, blue rays. They are showing the different methods. Similarly, here in the candlestick, conduction, radiation, and convection, we can see very easily heat transfer from hot air to cold air. Similarly, on the ground, you can see the ground heats the air by the process of conduction. Similarly, the warm air rises by the process of convection. The sun heats the ground by radiation. So first topic we are discussing in, that is the conduction. Transfer of heat between substances or objects that are in direct contact with each other. Heat travels from object at higher temperature to object at lower temperature. If it feels hot, the heat is transferred into you from the object. If it feels cold, then heat is transferring from you into the object. Heat transfers from faster moving particles to slower moving particles. Now this is diagram by which heat transfer is shown to you, how it is transferring from hot object to cold object. Next topic is the convection. Transfer of heat energy from fluid to solid surfaces. Transfer of heat through movement of hot smoke and fire gases, and that flow is from hot fire gases to cooler components. You can see the diagram of the palm also and the candle. Convection, heat transfers through the motion of a fluid. Hotter fluid rises and the cooler fluids fall due to the differences in densities occurs in a gas, liquid or plasma. Matlab, this doesn't happen in the solid. The rising and falling motion of the fluid is called a convection current. Here the example is showing to you. A firefighter is entering into a fire burning room. Then you can see that convection is transfer of thermal energy. Next topic is radiation. The transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. It is called radiation. electromagnetic waves carry a certain amount of energy that is directly proportional to the frequency of the wave. Lower frequency wave have less energy and the higher frequency waves have more energy. The main source of heat through radiation of earth is the sun. The heat is transferred to molecules in the air, water and land. Radiation, heat transfers by the flow of electromagnetic radiation like heat felt from the campfire. Radiation is the only type of heat transfer that can happen in a vacuum, means no medium is required. Heat transfer through waves. So you can see in diagram also how now you can see that example how sun is radiating its heat to the earth. Now there is a comparison chart between the conduction, convection and radiation. In this the molecules are shown to you. In the conduction process molecules are closely attached. It occurs in the solid, liquid and gas, whereas convection occurs in liquid and gases and radiation can travel through a vacuum also. In this contact is required, conduction, convection. So in the convection you can see the molecules move from lower to the higher. Similarly in the radiation there is no direct contact is required. It emits from higher object to the lower object. Similarly, particles with more heat energy vibrate faster and particles with light heat energy vibrate slowly. These are different diagrams also given to you. In the parachute there is a convection current. In the sun there is a radiation. Now next move on to these are the exercises which you can do so that you can come to know that how much you have learned from the video. Similarly, the next exercise is also given to you. Just practice this at the home. Good luck.